Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Metal Eden game crashing on Xbox, not launching, not loading, black screen, lagging, freezing or low FPS issue. So let's go through it. The first method is to restart the game. So for that, first select your game from home screen. Now press menu button on controller. After that, select quit. Finally restart your game and check if the issue is resolved. If not, next solution is to clear Xbox cache. For that, press Xbox symbol, move down and select settings. Now go to system, then select console info. After that, click on reset console, then select reset and keep my games and apps. So after this, try to launch the game and check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, next is to clear persistent storage. So this will help you to clear the cache data. For that, open settings, select device and connections, then Blu-ray. After that, select persistent storage and finally click on clear persistent storage. So after this, launch the game and see if the problem is fixed or not. Next is to check network or internet connection. So if there is any kind of connection problem, then crashing or other issues is common. So you are suggested to use Ethernet cable for stable connections, or else you can go for another hotspot to see if this works. You can check it by opening the menu on Xbox, then select settings, select network settings, here test network connection and wait for some time to complete it and then check if everything is working fine. Next method is to perform a power cycle. For that, first press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute and next again plug in console and then switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. After this, check if the issue is resolved or not. Next is to check for the update. So apart from console, you should ensure that the game is updated and not running on outdated version. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs and other issues. So make sure you check if there is any update of the game and update your game and see if it resolves the problem. Next is to clear the cache of the game. So for that, open Xbox guide. Now click on my games and apps, click on see all option, then search for Metal Eden for the game, then click on menu. After that, select manage game and add-ons, then click on save data and then click on reserved space. Finally tap on clear reserved space and then launch the game and see if it's working or not. Next is to remove and re-add account. So for that, press Xbox button to open the guide. Now click on settings under profile and system. After that, go to account, then remove accounts. Here select the account to remove, then select remove option and finally add the account again, and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. Next solution is to check for Xbox updates. Make sure Xbox console is updated to the latest and not running on outdated version. For that, you need to open settings on your Xbox, then select system and then choose updates. Here check if any update is available and click on it to begin this updating process, and after that launch the game and see if it works. Next is to check storage space. So for that, press Xbox button, then go to profile and system, then settings, then system and then again storage. Here check if there is any available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or games to create space, and after that see if it works for you. Next is to reinstall the game. So for that, first press Xbox button, controller, then move to my games and apps and then select see all option. Here choose Metal Eden or your game. After that, press on menu button. Now choose uninstall. After the game is removed, launch the official website of the game and download the game, and after that launch and see if it's working or not. Next is to contact support. Lastly, when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. You simply just go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. Either you can raise a ticket to let them know about the error, and hopefully they will better guide you what to do and the problem will be resolved and you can play the game further without any problem. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.